Loops are the secret weapon of every game ninja. You can use them to add all sorts of flashy animations to your games. Draw your own characters, make them move, jump, or dance. Animate secret messages and create special effects. So what is a loop? A loop tells a program how many times to repeat things. Just like repeating things in real life. When you brush your teeth in the morning, it's a loop. You have to move your toothbrush back and forth, over and over again until you decide your teeth are clean. First up, the repeat 10 times block and the do forever block. The repeat 10 times block repeats code a number of times. For example, play this animation 10 times, or 9, or 8, or you get the idea. If you use the do forever block to play the same animation, it will keep playing forever and ever, or at least until you disconnect the invention from power. Next, let's talk about the repeat while and repeat until blocks. You can use them to loop your animation while or until a certain thing happens. Like hide your secret message while the button is on, or hide your secret message until the button is on. You can also use loops to make even crazier special effects. So, are you ready to loop?